Hi there, students. To exhilarate, the H is silent. Exhilarating, an adjective. Exhilarated, an adjective as well. Okay, if something exhilarates you, it makes you feel really excited and really happy. It's really thrilling. So I was exhilarated by the good news. Yeah, I was exhilarated by the fact that I had got the job. The fans were exhilarated by the victory that they scored in the match. Yeah, this is a really exhilarating experience. It's really thrilling. Yeah. So what things in life are exhilarating? Yeah, are really thrilling, are really positive. Yeah. So something that exhilarates you makes you feel very happy, very animated. Yeah. I was exhilarated by the performance that the violinist gave. I was thrilled, I was excited, I was elated. So this exhilarate, you feel really good and invigorated by it at the same time. It's almost like you are intoxicated by it. Yeah, I was exhilarated by the enthusiasm of these people. Yeah, their enthusiasm was exhilarating. I was exhilarated by the success that I had achieved. Yeah, this is a very exhilarating experience. Okay, it makes you feel really good. You feel elated, you feel positive, you feel happy. Yeah, so something that exhilarates you, gives you full of life, makes you feel full of life, and it makes you cheerful and happy at the same time. So full of life, you're full of beans and you're really happy about something. Okay, so the exhilaration that I felt when my children were born is something that can never be, nothing will be able to compare to it. Yeah, I guess you could be exhilarated by cold weather. Yeah, I think it might be very exhilarating. A brisk walk in the snow could be very exhilarating. It gives you an up. It's invigorating. It's stimulating. Yeah, it animates you. It gladdens you and cheers you up and leaves you full of energy. Okay, so this is something that is exhilarating. It makes you feel really good. Okay, so to exhilarate, exhilarating, the reason why you feel exhilarated, how you feel, invigorated, stimulated. Yeah. Okay. The beautiful countryside in spring was very exhilarating. It left me exhilarated, excited, thrilled, stimulated, invigorated, full of life. Yeah. I felt both exhilarated but also concerned about the changes that had happened. So why do people do extreme sports? Because they're exhilarating. They get this rush. Yeah, they're very they animate the spirit. They make you feel really enthusiastic and happy. So to exhilarate, to make feel enthusiastic and happy at the same time. Okay, to exhilarate, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it informally, probably better in a semi-formal or formal context, but I think use it anywhere. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, exhilarare. Okay, ex, out of, and then in Latin, hilaris, cheerful. which actually comes from ancient Greek ilados, meaning cheerful or merry. So yeah, it makes you feel cheerful and merry. Yeah, I guess that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Exhilarate, exhilarating, exhilarated.